Guys,
Hi, guys.
we are in the middle of rain. Yes, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you for the opportunity, ma'am, you gave me for today. So, how long you want to visit our country, ma'am?
I will be staying in Manila for extra 3 days.
3 days only. Raining tour with my guest from what country?
From China.
Ni hao ma. They use this place for event.
Event. What
For
kind?
photo shoot, wedding reception. And they have cut off for 4:30 in afternoon. But when they have event, they open all the lanterns to become more romantic in evening. But unlucky, it has a flood.
Flood.
Yes, that's the place where they do event.
Oh, there used to be floor here.
Yes.
It's not the pole. Okay.
It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? So Intramuros means inside the wall. Gitna mo, Bi.
Inside the world.
Walled city.
Oh, inside the world.
Atras mo, Bi. Okay. E. Arson. One more. E. Arson. Last one. E. Arson. Piao liang. Watch your head, Lamborghini's Filipino size. So in the left side, that's Mapua Tashue. One of the leading school of engineer and architect.
Oh, lots of school here.
Yes, a lot. There's around 4 active university, 1 high school. Yeah, in inside Intramuros. Mapua Tashue, engineer and architect.
Have you learned some Chinese?
I know some Chinese.
Did you learn some Chinese?
Because too many Chinese here before
Oh, yeah, yeah.
as our guests.
Okay.
You stay. Yeah. Sipa niya tapaw.
Yeah.
So that depends of Intramuros against pirates, enemy. Like Limahong, Chinese pirates.
Okay.
Yes. The big clock over there, that's City Hall, municipality. The Chinese pirates attack Intramuros. It's named Limahong. Kamyas Gaming, kahit umuulan. Sana may ma-harvest pa. Naku, mukhang ina-harvest na lahat. Wala na tayo makita kahit isa. Sobrang liit na ito mga gar. Paano ko siya mapakain na ito? Kamyas, one for you
Thank
and
you.
one for me.
A bit sour.
Yes, but some Filipino they use this for their spices to cook.
Okay.
I'm sorry, there's a little because literally no one, just like we own this place.
We're the landlord now.
Yeah, landowner.
Yes, and landowner. And we're checking our place. See if someone is stealing some fruit from our garden.
So just like we buy this, right?
Yes.
No people, only us. Hey. What the meaning of tapaw in English?
I forgot. I don't know the English name of it.
Tapaw, cannons?
Cannons? Oh yeah. Yeah, cannons.
Cannons in Chinese is tapaw, right?
Yes, it's
Yeah,
tapaw.
Tapaw University is Tashue.
Yes.
Yeah, so they need to know that came from Chinese people.
Yeah, I'm Chinese.
Yes. That is golf course. We can go up, huh? Yes. It's 18 holes surrounded in Intramuros. But when heavy rain is coming, they use that like that. That's why we pay ticket to see this one. Yes, it's a former watchtower. Depends,
Watchtower.
yes, depends to the base side of Intramuros. To see the enemy coming in and coming out. But destroyed by earthquake during 1865, 64, like that. Heavy earthquake in Philippines.
So many countries.
Yes.
Destroy this place.
So ma'am, this is the only survivor structure inside Intramuros, San Agustin Church. And that's why also became protected by UNESCO,
Okay.
World Heritage Site. So we can enter, ma'am. But before, it's two tower. But because of earthquake during 1880, the other side was collapsed.
This tower disappeared.
Yeah, disappeared because of
Destroyed.
earthquake.
Earthquake.
Yeah. And this bell, this the other bell, it's around 7,500 pounds. Yes, it's only a paintings.
Oh.
All of that. Look, mama. Yeah, that's called Trompioil paintings. It was painted by Italian artists
Oh.
during 1875 to 1876.
Looks like every piece is different.
Yes. Alam mo na, walang iba. Pampauto. Sheesh. Ma'am, flowers for you. You can smell it. Yeah.
Like
You can put it in your ear, ma'am. It's called Pampauto.
from this side.
Yes, much better. Oh, before you are beautiful, but now you are very beautiful.
Thank you. You're so sweet.
So, at yun, dahil tapos na nga yung tour namin, waitings na lang kami sa Grab ni ma'am hanggang makasakay siya. Your Grab car is here. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, watch your head, watch your head. Go, go, go. Ma'am, thank you very much. Bye-bye.